Hey, it's TaxQuips time from TaxMama.com. Today, TaxMama hears from Michael in the TaxQuips Forum who wants clarification. He says, I drive a lot. Is there a maximum dollar amount I may deduct from my vehicle expenses? Well, Michael, no, there's no maximum amount you may deduct. If you can prove you drove the miles for business, the deduction is yours. For instance, one of my clients was a field reporter for KABC Radio. It was his job to be on the spot wherever there was news. His mileage was $50,000 plus each year. To better understand how the expenses and reimbursements work, take a look at Form 2106. You're going to be entering your gasoline reimbursements on line 7A, so you will deduct that. You'll fill in the second page, Part 2, with all of your vehicle expenses and mileage details. And yes, you must track the total miles and business miles in order to fill out this form. It makes no difference whether you're going to use mileage or actual expenses. Now, in the very first year you use the car for business, you may make the choice of actual expenses or mileage. After that, it's not that easy to switch. There are some instances where you may, but make your decision in the beginning for the long run. And yes, it can get complicated, and the depreciation deductions drop dramatically after the first or second years, so it really helps to have a thorough understanding of depreciation rules. Now, I know it seems as if I'm repeating myself, but when it comes to stuff like this, I really wish you would sit down with an experienced tax pro. Let them run some projections for you based on your job expectations. They may have some other suggestions for things you can do this year to increase your deductions. Also, there are times when we can encourage employers to provide certain letters or to establish company policies in writing to safeguard your deduction and those of other people in similar positions. And remember, you can find answers to all kinds of questions about auto expenses and other tax issues free. Where? Where else? At TaxMama.com.